Have you been too intimidated or skeptical when considering getting into 3D printing? Are you new and wish to gain information, or are you just like us and try to ingest everything 3D printer related on YouTube? Well, we have a little bit of everything here for you, so hit that subscribe button and let's get going.
3D modeling is our next step to master. Well, at least to get as good as we can get. We've already produced a few models, and this is where the realization that no matter your experience, creating your own 3D prints is just around the corner.
Being the Crafted Catastrophes is new but steadily growing, we've already been able to take advantage of a couple of money-making opportunities. Christmas time was the perfect opportunity to make a few door-to-door sales. Some friends and family's sales also resulted in getting a third printer, the P1S from Bamboo Lab. We found it helpful to bring samples to potential buyers, so make sure it's your best work. If they see your finished products, they'll more likely show interest. When we sold dragons from Cinderwing, we were able to capitalize on last-minute gift ideas for those still working right before the holidays.
Now our printer's been going non-stop, but we've not only been printing things that we like, but we've been printing things that seem quite popular in the 3D world. We found a few companies that we bought licenses from, and we've been building our stock for upcoming local vendor fairs when it warms up. And we've also been building our library of seasonal 3D prints to get ready for any holiday. It's been beneficial that the four of us have a niche that most interests us. Clay, he enjoys the comic book, fantasy, and gaming related products. Jill, she's into crochet, flower, and more pastels. And now Mandy, she's different. I'm just kidding. We banter back and forth all the time. Just get used to it. But seriously, she enjoys the horror, creature, and cartoon aspect of any recent or historical movie or TV show. She could pretty much quote them all. And I'm your military guy that enjoys not only military stuff, but futuristic sci-fi things. So that just leaves us sitting down a lot and brainstorming new ideas for the vendors.
This also leaves us with sitting down to learn new modeling techniques, since we know in order to remain relevant, we need to learn. We've all spent tons of time learning how to create models, and being that we aren't always tweaking and repairing 3D printers, we have already enjoyed a few of our own models.
We've enjoyed this stuff so much that it's really bringing out the kid in us. Now, the purpose for buying the printers that we have two X1 Carbons and a P1S from Bamboo Lab, is they don't require a lot of repair and they don't require any tweaking. You know, pretty much unbox them and you're off to the races. And that leaves us with a lot more time to sit down and learn new modeling techniques.
I had no idea that a digital caliper would become our best friend. Measuring things down to the millimeter and roughing out initial ideas to make new prints has been so easy now that we have an idea of scaling. We have a few examples for calipers listed down below if you're interested.
We've all spent tons of time learning how to create models, and being that we aren't always tweaking and repairing 3D printers, we've already enjoyed a few of our own stuff. So here's some of our favorite yet simple, effective 3D models that we made or downloaded from, yes, Maker Lab. If you told me 3 months ago that my wife would be making models of her own, I would have laughed because it seems so far out of reach for both of us. And she's already made some money from making jewelry in Tinkercad. Clay, he's adjusted some models for straw toppers, tool hangers, and company logos that he's sent off. I've made a new simple model for mounting camera gear to ceilings, which I can put on Etsy now. What? But my favorite here is the horizontal clip for my suit photo ST25 or TP25. They discontinued these clips and I couldn't find it anywhere, and so I was like, wait a minute, I might be able to make one. And with a few modifications and inserting a 1/4 thread pipe in it, I was able to make something that I can now use my tube lights for horizontal, lengthwise stuff for longer models and stuff. So that makes this thing really, really cool. And I can even put this on Etsy. So yay. It's just mind-boggling. And I can't believe that with a bit more practice, we will have the knowledge to create pretty much anything our mind's eye wishes. Cool.
So if you're intimidated by the 3D creation process, don't worry. If we can do it, so can you. You just have to jump right in. As we learn more on the channel, we will be sharing our experiences with you concerning latest technologies in modeling. It's mind-boggling how many 3D software programs there are, and now with AI voice creation, modeling, software surfacing, we're sure to eventually share with our community. Nothing here should hold any secrets since we're all in this together.
So far, since we started the channel, we've passed 500 subs and we've gained over 26,000 views. We've appreciated all of your feedback, and many of your comments and suggestions have led to tweaks and changes to the channel, so thanks. Also, many of you are here to learn alongside of us, so for that, we also owe you our appreciation.
If there's anything you wish to see from us in the near future, please drop a comment below and we'll be sure to respond in kind. Thank you for being here with us, and please don't forget to hit the like button. We look forward to the next video and hope you stick around with us for the long term. See you in the next one.